too soon. I've been out all weekend howling at the moon, dancing to the rhythm of a Cajun tune. Money coming round and always give me the blues. Oh, money coming back too soon. Oh, money coming back too soon. Tomorrow, but I can't see. When the winds of change are gonna blow on me, I'm tired of this working man misery. I'm working like a dog, but a dog runs free. Oh, and the money coming back too soon. Oh, money coming back too soon. I'm gonna stay in bed. I'm gonna watch the morning sky turn red, and turn off the clock and turn on my head, and never let the weekend go to an end. Oh, money coming back too soon. Oh, money coming back too soon. Oh, money coming back too soon.
Come gypsies and strangers and travelers of the road, come lay down your pistols and lighten your loads. Tonight there'll be laughter, tonight there'll be song on down at the river cantina, where the cup runneth over and the river ever flows down through the canyons of the muddy Colorado. So let there be wagers, let the bells ring, and welcome the beggars as well as the kings. Come riders and rounders and drifters on your own, come desert banditos wherever you roam. Come rest your hot feet in your dry weary bones on down at the river cantina, with the pirates of the highway and the dealers in death. Women so beautiful it takes your breath, but let there be peace among thieves tonight, and the music will echo in the desert moonlight. All of the night, all of the day, traveling minstrels play. All roads pass through this way. The dark senorita, more precious than rain, she dances and spins as she carries a train. And though many have killed for the love of this maid, no one has yet won her hand. By the light of the Phoenix at the crossroads of fate,